It's a quick video here to let you know that the Phoenix property is now sold out. For those of you that hesitated, that property is now gone. It's not even on the list of the real estate that we have in e-estate anymore. So my advice and recommendation is do not sit and wait for properties to be sold out. This is one of the properties that just got sold, right? The commercial Phoenix property. Remember, I told you about this property being sold out 7 days ago. Let me see if I can grab that video. This was my video 7 days ago, right? I told you that this property is going to be sold out, and I gave you the last chance for you to participate and get a fraction of this property. But of course, some people couldn't make it, and now it is sold out. Okay? You cannot get this property anymore in e-estate. But that being said, there are other properties in e-estate that you can actually purchase. It's not only the Phoenix property that just sold out. We have list of other properties. For example, we have the apartment in Miami, we have the apartment, and then we have the lake house, we have house, we have desert villa, we have villa Maru, we have business, we have land plot, we have development, and we have business development. So as you can see, you have a lot of choices here to make. Each one that you select to purchase will give you the minimum amount to start that property, and the profit calculator right here will tell you exactly how much you are going to be getting on average daily and monthly, and it will still tell you the total profit that you need to make and when you are going to break even. So the platform is pretty straightforward, to be honest. I'm just saying that don't sit until a property is sold before you decide to purchase that property, because you won't even see that property anymore on the list once it is sold. As you can see, it used to be called commerce property, and it's no longer on the list. So that is gone. It is gone, right? You can't get it anymore. So now is the time to sit up and make sure that you get involved in e-estate and purchase one of these tokenized property, because this is what is happening now. This is why we are making money. This is the reason why I keep telling you that e-estate is where you need to put your money. Okay? Don't go chasing shiny objects. It's not going to help you, right? Please consider to join e-estate, because we are earning from a property that we have purchased, a fraction of it. And the earnings comes on a daily basis, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. And you can make your withdrawal of your profit as well. So what is stopping you from getting involved in e-estate? This is a platform that has been developed to help everybody around the world, irrespective of your location. You can register today with the link below this video description and then purchase your property. It's that easy. It's not difficult, right? So now remember, for the sake of argument, you are not purchasing the whole of the property. You are purchasing a fraction of the property, and that fraction that you purchase is what is going to be giving you your daily earnings in this platform. Okay, so please don't sit on this. We in e-estate, we love to coach people. We love to tell people about this wonderful opportunity. So just do what you got to do, right, to get into this property. For those of you that have already registered, completed your KYC, and you have not even purchased the lowest property here, which is apartment Miami, the lowest amount to start this one is $10. You have registered for maybe more than 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe a month, and you have not even considered to purchase the lowest property here. I just feel you are missing out on the earnings that you are supposed to be getting from this platform. So if you are one of those, after watching this video, please go and purchase at least one property. Remember, the minimum to purchase a property here is $10. However, You don't want to be purchasing a property with $10 because it's not going to earn you much money that you are looking for, right? So my recommendation is, when you're coming into this platform and you want to purchase a fraction of a property, consider to purchase a fraction of property that will give you the minimum income that you are looking for, right? And the profit calculator here will tell you exactly what you need to make that happen, right? So this is a $250 property minimum, lake house. Let's say you are looking to get a monthly payment of, say, maybe $400, right? So you are going to be going and looking for this property that is called villa. This will give you up to $399.63 on a floating average profit every single month, right? So think about these guys, because this platform has been consistent. That is all you need. You don't need those shiny platforms that will come today and disappear tomorrow. You want a platform that is going to be consistent, steady, reliable. That's what you need. Your money is coming every single time without any problem, without any complaint. So the link to do so is below this video description if you wish to join this platform and start your journey in this platform. Thank you and God bless.